Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2015 model Mazda CX-5, 2.0-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 93k kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, plate ending 2, i-stop system, with spare key, owner's manual at booklet, all power, all stop, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 528,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 139,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Mazda CX-5, 2.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 45k kilometers mileage, all-wheel drive, Casa maintained with records, plate ending 4, sunroof panoramic view, leather seats, i-stop system, power seat and tailgate, keyless entry, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 958,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 226,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model Subaru Forester Eyesight, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 51k kilometers mileage, first owned, all-wheel drive, Casa maintained, ending plate 2, panoramic sunroof, reverse camera, climate control, leather and power seats, keyless entry, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 928,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 108,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2018 model Ford Everest Titanium Plus, top of the line. 3.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 38k kilometers mileage, first owned, panoramic sunroof, power seats and tailgate, third row seats automatic fold, touchscreen head unit, climate control, reverse camera, plate ending 5. Free transfer of ownership, cash price, 978,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 265,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2020 model Morris Garage ZS Alpha, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 56k kilometers mileage, first owner, push start, panoramic sunroof, leather seat, plate ending 5, infotainment system, all stop, all power, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 568,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 121,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2017 model Toyota Vios E, 1.3-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 108k kilometers mileage, first owned, plate ending 2, touchscreen head unit, fuel efficient, fog lamps, SRS airbag, free transfer of ownership, cash price, 398,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 49,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.